Hey everybody, Frankie D'Antonio, founder and CEO of Lexington Capital here. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you for watching our videos. We really greatly appreciate it. And obviously, please, if you feel like you're getting some sort of value out of this, please hit that subscribe and like button because it really means a lot to myself and to my team that puts in all these long and hard hours to help the business owners as well as yourself become educated on the products and services that we offer. So then now the topic that I'm going to dive into today is how to obtain a small business loan. And now basically there's two different ways for people to obtain small business loans. One, and it's usually what business owners do first and foremost, is they'll go down to their local branch bank, the local bank branch that they've dealt with since they were probably a kid, right? So maybe that local credit union or maybe their local Chase or maybe just a local smaller bank. Now, typically what might happen then after that is obviously they don't know all the bank's qualifications and they only went to one bank. They end up getting declined. And then usually the second course of action that they'll take after that is they'll actually go and apply with an online lender. So first and foremost, when you're applying for a small business loan, I would say you need to find a good and reputable broker. Now, sometimes people have a bad taste in their mouth, whether it be like through auto brokers or through insurance brokers. But in my opinion, if you could find somebody who knows what they're doing, right, who genuinely cares and has a good team behind them, it's going to be your best course of action. And there's for a multitude of reasons. For one, they're going to be able to pair you up with the best lender or said bank based off of your geographical location, your time in business, your cash flow / revenue on a monthly / yearly basis, your personal credit score, and your industry. So this broker is then going to be able to pair you up with one or two different lenders. The lender or bank will then be able to present you the options, and then from there, maybe you only have one credit pool compared to maybe then going to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different lenders or said banks. So first and foremost, like I said, your best bet is to find a good, reputable broker with a good name in the industry, has good reviews online, and then entrusting in them to offer you good value and good service. And that's something that we definitely pride ourselves over here at Lexington. So now when you come to a company like Lexington, what we're going to do for you when you come and apply with us is that you're going to hop on a quick discovery call with one of our business relationship managers, and then they're basically going to ask you obviously some qualifying questions as well as learning about you, your business, your family, and your passion, your dreams, and your goals, obviously, because that's what matters the most, because the reason why you're taking out the financing is to help you grow, right? You're trying to get to a certain point and level in your business, and that's why you needed some extra cash in order to go ahead and do so. So once our business finance advisor / relationship manager gathers all that information and data from you, then they will take that to our processing team. Then the processing team will then pair you up with the best lender or said bank that you could qualify for. And then we're then going to basically present you the best offer / deal that we get with that said lender or bank, all while preserving your credit score, all while preserving, your information, obviously, because if you're going out and you're applying with every Tom, Dick, and Harry out there, right, your information's going out to a lot of different places. You might be getting a lot of different phone calls from other brokerages, other lenders and stuff like that, offering you business financing. So just stick with the one brokerage, obviously. We're going to bring you to the best place, and then funding could be as quick as 24 hours. We have products that get you funded in 24 hours. We have traditional products that might take 2 to 4 weeks. So obviously, you're going to come to us. We're going to try to get you the most traditional product possible. And that's really what also diversifies Lexington in our market space compared to a lot of our other competitors. So a lot of other brokers, they might only offer alternative financing products. So even if you have a 700 higher credit score, 2 years time in business, you cash flow very well, you're in a good industry, you're in a good area, they might just try to bring you to an alternative financing product because maybe they make the most money off of that, or maybe that's just the only type of lenders that they have on their platform, right? So over here at Lexington, a lot of other brokers that dive into it will say, I have 75, 80 different lenders on our platform. That's great, but they're only offering 1 or 2 different products, and it seems to always all be in the alternative space, right? Where we diversify ourselves is we probably only have about 30 to 35 alternative lenders on our platform that offer lines of credit, term loans, SBA, equipment financing, cash advances, etc. And then we also have about 20 to 25 different banks on the regional level, national level, and even local credit unions that you might know and love that can help you get some sort of traditional financing product, getting you a longer term, a cheaper rate than if you were to maybe then go to the alternative financing product. And listen, if maybe you only qualify for alternative products at this point, we'll educate you. We'll let you know where your credit score needs to be, where your revenue needs to be. Maybe you might have to switch some things up with your business. Maybe look, towards getting a different industry, different NICS code, right, in order to make your profile look a lot better for that said bank. So that's something that we all do over here. We pride ourselves on, and we just love growing small to medium-sized businesses. So biggest takeaways from applying for a small business loan is I would find a very good and reputable broker right? And trust in them. Look up their online reviews, obviously, because purchasing a business loan at this point in time, it's all via online unless you go to your local bank. So we're in the fintech business, right? So look that company up, check their reviews out, check out their YouTube, their Instagram, their Facebook, their LinkedIn, their Twitter, all of it, right? See what people are saying about them, get some insight from other business owners, and then ultimately come to the best conclusion, feel them out, obviously, and then go from there. You know, and if they make you feel comfortable and you're happy with who you have on the phone at that point in time, then I would say go for it and trust in them and trust that they're gonna get you a better deal than if you were just to go to one place or one bank or one lender. Once again, this is Frankie over at Lexington Capital. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I can't wait to speak to you all again. Thank you.